In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring bills in QuickBooks Online. Recurring bills are perfect for expenses that repeat on a predictable schedule, like rent, software subscriptions, or insurance. Setting them up saves time and reduces the risk of missing a due date. Let's walk through it together in a clear, simple way. First, open QuickBooks Online and click the New button at the top left of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Bill. This opens a standard bill form, just like you'd use for a one-time expense. To turn this into a recurring bill, look to the bottom of the form and click Make Recurring. This switches the bill into a template mode, which tells QuickBooks to reuse these details automatically on a schedule. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. For example, office rent, main location, or monthly software subscription. A specific name makes it easy to manage multiple recurring bills without confusion. Now fill in the bill details as you normally would. Choose the vendor, confirm the bill date and terms, and enter the expense details. Use the category details or item details section to code the expense to the right account, split lines if needed, and add quantities, rates, or taxes depending on how your bills are structured. If you track classes, locations, or projects, include them here so your reporting stays accurate. You can also add a memo for context, like a contract reference or invoice number, and attach a file if you have a supporting document. Take a moment to double-check amounts and accounts. Small mistakes can repeat every cycle if left unchecked. Next, set the schedule. Choose the interval that matches how often this bill recurs, such as weekly, monthly, or annually. Set the start date to the first date you want. QuickBooks to create the bill. If you know the arrangement will end, add an end date. If not, leave it open so the bill continues indefinitely. When everything looks good, click Save Template. That's it. QuickBooks will now create bills automatically based on the schedule you set, using the exact details you entered. You'll see them appear in your bills list when they're generated, ready to review and pay like any other bill. A final tip: revisit your templates if a price changes or a contract ends, so your books stay accurate. With this setup in place, you'll spend less time on repetitive entries and more time focusing on the work that matters. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!